It's hard to put the genie back in the bottle once you've let it out. Right now, this is what is happening to Cardano ADA. A bullish chance has come up, and right now all we can expect is a flood of new all-time highs. Bitboy Crypto Cardano, a crypto expert, says that ADA is getting close to $15. Cardano ADA has been dealing with more volatility over the past few months, which has upset almost every investor. Early in June, the price of ADA went up because the vessel upgrade was supposed to happen at the end of the month. By the middle of July, however, testing found bugs that had to be fixed before the hard fork could go live. The price went up 3 times between then and the end of July, but it never went above 50 cents. Like Ethereum, which is getting a series of improvements. In March of 2021, Cardano was adding a series of hard forks to his code to add more features. The ecosystem saw the merry hard fork, which turned it into a platform for multiple assets. The Alonzo hard fork came next, which made smart contracts possible. Then came the Vessel hard fork, which seems to be all the rage right now and offers a lot of great chances. Charles Hoskinson, the head of Cardano, said in an update on August 1, 2022, that this is the most complicated upgrade in Cardano's history because it includes changes to his programming language Plutus, changes to the consensus protocol, and a lot of other things. Of course, what happened in the past is no guarantee of what will happen in the future. This story is often told, but it's also important to remember that Cardano has broken records in the past, which will set the bar for what to expect in the future. But don't put all your money on this one possibility. It's just one of many things to think about. For Cardano to keep up this pace, it will have to jump some hurdles, which could change a number of things. Popular Crypto, the YouTuber Bitboy Crypto, thinks that the price of Cardano will go up to $15. And this was proof that the government was right. When Tim Grover Della gave his long-term price target for Cardano ADA, he said that the way Cardano has handled the upgrade has brought it closer to solving the trilemma of security, decentralization, and scalability. The crypto expert said that a price of $15 is not too high, especially when you consider that ADA was worth about 12 cents in July of 2020. Unless there is a bear market, it goes up 200% to just under $3. When the next bull market comes around and until August of 2021. If you had made this prediction during a bear market, ADA expression would have been more extreme around 1,000. Since the current price is happening in a bear market, it may not be impossible to think that it will go up in the next bull market. Also, the Cardano Foundation shared the latest monthly on-chain stats for Cardano, which was good news for ADA holders. The foundation sent a tweet to its more than 825,000 followers on the first anniversary of the Alonzo hard fork. The tweet explained how the number of native token wallets, Hulu script transactions, delegated wallets, and policies at all shut up in September 2022 are done no monthly on-chain growth. This month, a lot of important metrics are going up, and the use of smart contracts is going up in a good way. But let's give you a clear picture of how things have changed for Cardano in the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that Aga's friend Jack, who works in the marketing and communications department of IOG, said that 100 projects were launched on Cardano, 1113 projects were building on Cardano, 6.1 million tokens, 3,307 Plutus scripts, and there have been over 50.3 million transactions so far. Right now, there aren't enough people willing to buy Cardano, which has pushed the price below important support and started a bearish market structure break. There isn't much time to fix this problem, and if it isn't fixed, it could lead to a sell-off. But Cardano still has control over the bears, and it looks like there will be more short-term pain for ad holders. However, the medium and long-term outlook is still very bullish. The network has as much potential as any other in the universe because it can grow, save energy, and move quickly. A crypto news article from earlier this week said that Cardano could do well in the next bull run based on a number of positive metrics. This is likely to happen in 2023, when Bitcoin's value will be cut in half and Ripple's case against the SEC will be over. Also, even though prices have gone down over the course of 2022, Cardano hasn't stopped building and improving its upgrades, such as the Vessel hard fork. So far, they haven't changed the price in the short term, but they have made the blockchain easier for DApp developers to use than ever before. The number of wallet holders is also steadily going up, and wallet holders of all sizes, from small holders to whales, have kept buying ADA even during the bear market. But you might wonder why liberals are so interested in this. Given how the market is going, it looks like the Ethereum killer is about to live up to his name in the NFT market. Solana has been in that position for a long time, but after he said he was leaving, Magic Eden is a lot of volume has moved to Cardano or Donel, which had record volume this past week. According to the description on CoinMarketCap, it is the next NFT gold rush as One Ape Society collection. NFT sold for a record price of 180,000 ADA. This condo NFT just sold for $65,000, which is more proof that none of us knows what's going on. POF Yachi tweeted that everyone was buying Cardano. NFTs caused network activity to go up to 97,959, which was a 75% increase from the previous month. Even though long-term growth is expected to be good, there are still holes in the theory that Cardano could hit $15 in the next bull run. Cardano has potential, but people who don't like it will always point out that it hasn't reached that potential yet. But Charles Hoskinson always stands up for the project when people criticize it or say things that hurt its chances. A few years ago, in a YouTube AMA session, Hoskinson insisted that 200 people were working on the Cardano platform, with 100 of them specifically working on ADA. He said this about people who doubt the project's future. I guess some people who doubt the project's future would like to listen to fake news. They like to pay attention to the latest sycophant or provocative, but they don't seem to realize that these are some of the most difficult rules to follow. Charles Hoskinson also talked about how the blockchain and cryptocurrency were made. He said, "There is no code we can copy, and there is no source space from which we can make a fork. We are doing very hard things." Even now, not that many people are optimistic about Cardano's future. Even when a big tech upgrade went live, like the Vessel hard fork, there wasn't much depop about it. Even so, in this case, Charles Hoskinson has told the community that he has plans for growth at the next level. Also, people with a lot of influence say that Cardano could eventually surpass Ethereum as the most popular Layer 1 blockchain. Up until recently, the most common complaint about Cardano was that no one was building on top of it, even though he said it was a world-class blockchain. But technical improvements made last year and this year have made the Cardinal blockchain much more useful. It is getting stronger in places where the Cardano is always getting weaker. When it comes to total value log, blockchain is doing very well. The most important thing to know is that nothing in cryptography can be done automatically. Cardano won't pass Ethereum or reach $15 overnight. Even the most bullish card, supporters of Donald Trump are sure that Cardano won't pass Ethereum for at least 6 to 10 years. Immediately, Cardano's market capitalization is only $12 billion. Why Ethereum has a market cap of $156 billion, which means that Cardano needs to grow much faster than Ethereum. To make up for this huge gap, to beat Ethereum and reach $15 in the next bull run, Cardano needs a big idea. Developers won't just give up on Ethereum because it needs a few small changes. In another blockchain, everyone chooses the best option to bring more people to Cardano and make it stand out. There needs to be an idea that gets things moving, and Charles Hoskinson might have it. Cardano needs a lot of things to go right, and investors will need to be very patient to see this happen. Play out, at last. What do you think about this? Leave them in the section below for comments. In the next video, we'll see you again. But until then, check out some of our other videos to see how Cardano is living up to his dream of killing Ethereum. And as always, make sure you click the subscribe and notification buttons.